Welcome to all. Today discuss a topic of arithmetic mean, continuous series of shortcut method. For example, x for 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700 and 700 to 800. The f frequency for 10, 18, 20, 26, 30, 28 and 18. So the formula for shortcut method x bar is equal to a plus or minus sum of fd divided by n. X bar is equal to mean. Sum of fd is equal to sum of total. N is equal to total number of frequency or observation. F for frequency, m for mid value, d for deviation, a for assumed mean. So to preparation of table in 5 columns, column number 1 for x and column number 2 for frequency f and column number 3 for m midpoint or mid value, column number 4 for d for deviation and column number 5 for f into d ft. So to fill up the x series for class interval 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700 and 700 to 800. Therefore, to fill up the frequency for 10, 18, 20, 26, 30, 28 and 18. Therefore, to find out the sum of frequency, to add the frequency value for 10 plus 18 plus 20 plus 26 plus 30 plus 28 plus 18. Therefore, n is equal to 150. And to find out the midpoint or mid value for lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So, class interval for 100 to 200. Therefore, 100 is a lower limit, 200 is a upper limit. Therefore, 100 plus 200 divided by 2 is equal to m 150. 200 to 300. Therefore, 200 is a lower limit, 300 is a upper limit. Divided by 2 is equal to 250. And next class interval for 300 to 400. Therefore, 300 is a lower limit, 400 is a upper limit. Therefore, 300 plus 400 divided by 2 is equal to 350. And next class interval for 400 to 500. Therefore, 400 is a lower limit, 500 is a upper limit. Therefore, 400 plus 500 divided by 2 is equal to 450. And next class interval for 500 to 600. Therefore, 500 plus 600 divided by 2 is equal to 550. And next class interval for 600 to 700. Therefore, 600 is a lower limit, 700 is a upper limit. Therefore, 600 plus 700 divided by 2 is equal to 650. And the last class interval for 700 to 800. Therefore, 700 is a lower limit, 800 is a upper limit. Therefore, 700 plus 800 divided by 2 is equal to 750. So next column for d for deviation. So d is equal to m minus a. M for midpoint, to find out the x value. So m minus a is equal to d. So to take a for assumed mean, to take any one value for m series. Therefore, I take a assumed mean for 450. So m is equal m minus a is equal to d. So 150 minus 450 is equal to minus 300. 250 minus 450 is equal to minus 200. And 350 minus 450 is equal to minus 100. And 450 minus 450 is equal to 0. And 550 minus 450 is equal to 100. 650 minus 450 is equal to 200. 750 minus 450 is equal to 300. Therefore, to find out the fd, so f into d for fd. So f for 10, d for minus 300. So therefore, 10 into minus 300. Therefore, 3000 for minus 3000. And 18 into minus 200. Therefore, 3600. And 20 into minus 100. Therefore, minus 2000. 26 into 0 is equal to 0. 30 into 100 is equal to 3000. 28 into 200 it's equal to 5600, and 18 into 300 it's equal to 5400. Therefore, to sum up the FD, so to add the positive value for 5400, 5600, 3000, therefore 14,000, and add the negative value for 3000 plus 3600 plus 2000, therefore 8600. So 14,000 minus 8,600, sum of FD it's equal to 5,400. So sum of FD it's equal to 5,400, N it's equal to 150, assumed mean it's equal to 450. So to apply the formula for x bar it's equal to A plus or minus sum of FD divided by N. So A for 450 for assumed mean, and the sum of FD for 5400 for plus value. So put the formula for plus symbol. So 5400 divided by 150. So it's equal to 450 plus 36. Therefore mean it's equal to 486. Thank you.